Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
A couple of interesting things on our current boards here. 61 degrees our air temperature. Slightly warmer than yesterday, and the dew point value is slightly higher as well, coming in at 58. We are in for a slightly muggier day today. That'll be one thing you'll notice. Also, the winds will be increasing again today. We have southeast winds now, or east-southeast wind coming in at about 7. They'll turn even more southerly this afternoon, and the wind speeds will start to tick up just a little bit. Pressure is still high, and the relative humidity is at 90% out there. So we're looking at 61 in Sarasota, 63 Lakewood Ranch, 62 Parrish, Bradenton, Venice at 65, 66 in Inglewood, 63 in Northport, cooler inland with 61 Wauchula and Arcadia and Myakka. That represents about a 4 to 6 degree difference, warmer temperature than it was just 24 hours ago. We'll look at 62 degrees by 7 o'clock in the morning. By 12 noon, we'll have a few fair weather clouds around. 76 the daytime high. 81 degrees by 3 p.m. and then by 7 p.m. we'll look for 74. Across the region today, Tampa radar looks very good. There's no issues here anywhere in the state of Florida, really, in terms of any rainfall. We're quiet here. That is not the case everywhere. If you look at temperature structure across the United States, it's clear that there is an abrupt change in the temperature between what you're seeing in the deep south and the northern Gulf waters and even the mid-Atlantic and what's back behind that, where you have temperature that's 26 degrees in Minneapolis, St. Paul right now, 40 degrees in Kansas City. You jump the front and you have temperatures that are about 62. Well, that has triggered off some massive showers over the last couple of days in a very slow-moving front, and everything outlined in green here is an indication of the potential for some flooding or, already in progress, some urban flooding and some flash flooding ongoing. Those showers and thunderstorms are intense right now in parts of Texas, and the whole line is gradually moving closer to the state of Florida. It will accelerate tomorrow. As it gets closer to us, though, the energy from this system lifts off to the north and to the east, and we're left with just a very broken, ragged frontal boundary sinking southward into our state. Breezy today, mild, humidity rising, showers starting on Friday. And I mean just a few showers. Watch, the energy lifts north, and we are left with really just kind of a ragged front that stalls out over central Florida and then just washes away, but does give us a rain chance through Saturday. And even into Sunday, I think we have a slight chance at a rain shower during the first half of the day, and then everything kind of clears out and brings sunny skies for the second half of Sunday. A lot of dry air in place currently for us, so even though we may get a few extra clouds in, I don't think we're going to see anything in the way of rainfall today, but the winds picking up because of that frontal boundary will be noticeable. Forecast for today, south wind coming in at about 15 knots this afternoon, maybe decreasing to 10 a little bit later tonight. Moderate chop on bay and inland waters with 2 to 3 foot seas. Forecast looking like this. Today's high about 81, same thing tomorrow, but that chance of rain works into the forecast late in the day Friday. Lingers on to Saturday morning, then we'll get a little bit of a break, and then that'll follow by another chance of a few scattered showers on Easter, about a 20% chance. And then next week, we look for some pleasant weather with daytime highs in the low 80s, and that carries on into Wednesday.